is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cool. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. Promise me roses and a hungry haze, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty. Got me feeling dusty. I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand and wake me and tell me it's a dream. A dream. The worst kind you've ever dreamed.
I'm real.
That's a potato.
I'm here
Can I see?
Don't wanna lay another night.
Isn't it cocky?
Don't wanna walk another mile.
Cocky? Cocky.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing a what I eat in a day. I'm going to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast and lunch are going to be with some recipes, and dinner is going to be a quick grab-and-go meal. Let's start off with breakfast. We are going to have some savory cornbread pancakes. I'm going to use some cornmeal, about a half cup, as well as 2 tablespoons of flax meal. But you could use 1 egg in replace of this. I just choose to use the flax. You're going to need about a 1/3 stick of butter. You're going to have that melted. I like the olive oil butter from Country Crock. It is vegan. You're going to have some onions and peppers to keep it savory, and a cup of almond milk.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
I like to get my pan nice and hot on a medium heat, put a tablespoon of some butter in there, and then I start on mixing a little bit more of this batter. As you can see, the flax has thickened this batter quite a bit, but I'm going to add another half cup of almond milk into the batter, and I'm going to add it about a 1/4 cup at a time.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling, the end's unknown, to get back the life I used to know.
My secret ingredient with these savory cornbread pancakes is going to be chili powder. It just gives it a little bit of a smoky flavor. It does not add any spice or anything like that.
We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honest, honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
I serve these savory pancakes normally with sour cream, but I'm going to serve mine with this unflavored, unsweetened Kite Hill yogurt and a sprinkle of green onions because I am obsessed. It is lunchtime in our household, and I'm just going to show you one of my big salads. I got some requests to go more in depth about how I stay full on big salads, so I'm going to show you. I got this idea from Ellen Fisher, and she lives in Hawaii and does some really great vegan content if you're interested. And her filming is just beautiful as well. I know these aren't the most cost effective, but I try and get them on sale when I can, and it was buy one get one free. And I like these because generally we wouldn't buy a giant thing of blue cheese dressing, but this is nice to have for when my husband has wings and things like that. And then the bacon I always use in different recipes. Again, bacon isn't something we typically buy every week, so it's nice to have this to sprinkle in some eggs or put on a quiche or even use for dinner items. But I love the rest of the things in here, so I'm going to use everything but the bacon and the steakhouse seasoning and the blue cheese dressing. But I'm going to use the romaine, broccoli, cabbage, more cabbage, green onions, carrots, and crispy onions. And then obviously I'm going to put some hemp hearts on there. If you're new here, I always use hemp hearts. They're a really great source of protein for me because I don't eat meat, and they're a really awesome source of omegas, which I feel like everybody lacks omegas, but that's just my opinion. And then for my dressing, I'm going to combine mustard, maple syrup, balsamic, and fresh garlic. It's super tasty, and it's nice to have if you make it in bulk and then just serve it alongside French fries or something like that. And then I always add spinach or kale. So this is 2 handfuls of spinach, but if you cook with spinach a lot, or even if you eat spinach a lot, you know that it either cooks down to a really small amount or you can chop it up. And then over here, I always add these things because Ellen Fisher did, and ever since I started watching her, I've really just stepped up my vegan journey, in my opinion, about the way I feel. So I have some roasted potatoes. So this is gonna add a really filling aspect to the salad. And then I always have something pickled, like pickled onions or sauerkraut. This sauerkraut I made, and I got the recipe from Lisa from the blog Farmhouse on Boone. She has a YouTube channel too, and she's amazing. So I'll leave her channel and the recipe down below. And I use sauerkraut for the probiotics. I'm not getting any probiotics because I don't eat yogurt or anything like that, and I don't like to supplement probiotics, so I am just getting it from the sauerkraut. I have a whole tomato on the vine, and I'm gonna serve it with some green beans just in case I get a little hungrier. And yeah, that is it. Let me show you how everything looks when it's put together. my friends, and Wilder is having the Stonyfield organic whole milk, pear, spinach, and mango yogurt. He really likes these and they are great for his gut. There are live and active cultures in there, so if you're unsure of what to give a toddler, this is like a never fail. Sometimes it fails, but he really likes it.
More?
Here, you push from the bottom. We had a beautiful afternoon in a mountain town, just visiting with some ducks and letting Wilder explore the park, and we ended up stopping for dinner at Domino's. I know not the healthiest, but it was super filling, and we love having pizza nights with the kids. Wilder really loves pizza, and it is one food that he will eat. I, of course, got mine with no cheese, just sauce and some veggies, and I like to dip mine in barbecue sauce. And then the boys got extra cheese and pepperoni, and Wilder actually really likes pineapples on his, so I always share some of mine with him. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed what we ate today. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I will see you next time. Bye.